Joe from Boulet's Garage again. So here's my 2022 CB500X. I ordered it in June of 2022 and finally got it November 10th. They kept pushing the release date back and forth and whatever. But finally I got it. But I got it early enough where I could at least put a couple hundred miles on it. In case you're wondering, I'm from the Northeast in New England, New Hampshire, and so to amuse myself, I've been accessorizing it. And I just did that quick video on the skid plate on the bottom. I didn't do a video on the side bars, the engine protection bars or anything like that. But yeah, so here I am amusing myself during December. And so one of the things, I'm just going to do this quick video. One thing I wanted to do is get a louder horn on it. And I looked around and they have the ones where there's actually a compressor on it. I don't have a lot of room underneath there. So you get your stock horn right under here, that little guy right there. And I'm going to do a comparison. I bought this Denali Soundbomb Mini. It's supposed to be 2 times louder than a standard automotive horn. So I'm going to do a quick comparison here. I'm going to do the best I can. I got a decibel meter on my cell phone and see how much different it is. So hold on, and I'm going to get this set up. Okay, now I got this little decibel meter. I'm going to hold it right next to the horn here. Try to hold it in the same spot that I'm going to have for when I put the new horn in. So here goes. Right around 80 decibels. So, okay, I got the Denali Soundbomb horn installed now. I'm going to see how that sounds compared to the original. Here we go. You know, I'm not so convinced that this app on this phone is very accurate because that is quite a bit louder. It is a low tone horn, which makes up for a lot. It gives it a little bit more substance. It does take up a bit more space. Doesn't look like, the fender's not going to hit it. I used the existing mount that was on the bike. I didn't use what they gave me with the kit. I did use the nut they gave me the kit, but there's 2 wires. Just disconnect them, 10mm wrench, swap it out. But yeah, I think this will work a lot better. I had a close call last summer on my other bike. My DR650 had the stock horn on it, and the guy got out of my way. I kind of scared him. I was going around the rotary, and he decided to pull out in front of me, and his window was open, and my horn lined up just with his window. You should have seen the look on his face, but this will give quite a bit more substance. I really wanted to get one of those ones that sound like a train horn, but couldn't find one that had a good example online as far as the difference in sound or whatever. But anyway, if you're thinking about getting a little bit louder horn, this should work on not just a CB500X, but pretty much any bike that has a 2-wire, single stud mount horn. Anyway, hopefully this helped you out a little bit, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe and share the videos. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day. Thanks.